40 years in the making, and these amplifiers are done. These cabinets were built by Gibson Guitars in 1984 as a prototype, and then they were abandoned. I got these cabinets and was commissioned to finish them correctly. So, in honor of the Gibson legacy of amplifiers, I searched through schematics and discovered the Maestro GA-45T and its cousin, the GA-40 Les Paul amp. Now, this is a semi-famous circuit, but I decided to modernize it a little bit and then blend the two voicings together so that these are built with channel 1 as the GA-40 and channel 2 as the GA-45T with tremolo. Doing demo videos for amplifiers is a fine art, and I'm not going to pretend that I am a master of that art. My friend Jim Hornberg is a master and has promised to come down and play through this circuit. Until then, though, I'm going to close out this series with a demonstration of what these sound like. I invited my friend John Bamber to come over, and we played together this morning a song you'll recognize, but one that has a melody part and a harmony part. So to demonstrate these amps, I am playing a 335 through the GA-40 side cranked. Bridge pickup, that's it. He is playing the GA-45T channel with a Les Paul Jr. P90 cranked with the tremolo on. So this song has both of these amps going at the same time with the two different voicings, so you can hear the range at the same time. Now, a full demo video, I would roll the volume back. I would show you all the sweet spots at, lower volumes. But for this demonstration, just to celebrate 40 years of this project coming to an end, I'm just going to leave you with this old familiar tune. And I hope you enjoy, and that you'll subscribe, like the video, and let me know what you think of how this turned out. Peace.